KPR Institute of Engineering Technology Staff Club organized a KayaKalpa event for the benefit of faculty members. The event was inaugurated by Dr. M. Akila, Principal KPR Institute of Engineering and Technology. Experts of yoga addressed the faculty team and gave a hands-on training on yoga. Various asanas were being demonstrated during the session for the benefit of the faculty members. COVID-19 guidelines and SOPs were followed during the session. Clarifications were made by the experts. It was a great program and an event of rejuvenation for the faculty members.